Hi there, I'm Dr. Dr. Jack. I'm a chiropractor and I crack backs for a living. Let me take you through a typical day at my office. First up, we have Mr. Pretzel here.
Ooh, my back is killing me, Doc.
Next, we have Mrs. Noodle. She's been feeling a bit spineless lately. And here's little Timmy. He got his neck stuck while trying to lick his elbow. Now watch as I perform my signature move, the vertebrae vibrato. Oops, I accidentally bumped into this coat rack. Let me just...
Wow, I feel amazing. Thanks, Doc.
Did that coat rack just talk? What have I done? But hey, as long as my patients keep coming back, who am I to complain? I guess I'll just go with the flow.